Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Starlink not showing up on Wi-Fi. If your Starlink not showing up on Wi-Fi, then you need to follow some steps. Here you will see I am on the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that try resetting the router by quickly unplug the power cable 6 times. They change it to 6 power cycles. So the first thing you need to try is to resetting the router. When you resetting the router, then quickly unplugging the power cable 6 times. So this is the first thing you need to try. And here you will see the another people says that once you have factory reset the kit, the SSID reverts to the default, likely Starlink. Disconnect your device from its current SSID. Connect to the default Starlink SSID. No password required. And follow the prompts to re-establish your own unique SSID and Wi-Fi password. So this is the another thing you need to consider. If it was put away for a long time, try unplugging it 3 times instead of 6. If the FW on its pre 6x reset. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.